Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Forms without sign-in requirements for the respondents. So here I've already on the forms page and I'm going to just create a blank form. So click on this plus icon and a new blank form will be created. So in here, if you want to create one Google form without sign-in requirements, you need to go to the settings. So because this form is automatically collecting emails from our respondents, so you need to click on change settings or go to the settings at the top and go to the responses section. Click on the drop down, and here there are two settings that you need to change. The first one is the collect email addresses option. So for now, the respondents will be required to sign in. You need to change it. Click on this box and change it into do not collect. So now it will be gone. And after that, the second one is this require sign in option. So you need to disable this so that the respondent will not need to sign in to their emails. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.